One thing we can do is we can install a theme to make it look beautiful, and the theme is Sphinx RTD theme. So if I do pip install Sphinx RTD theme, okay, now we got the theme. Now what we need to do is we need to add it to the extension. So I'll go to source code and conf.py, and I will add to the extension Sphinx underscore RTD underscore theme, okay, and comma, Sphinx RTD theme. So like this, and then in the instead of this alabaster, we will paste the Sphinx RTD theme here, okay. And now we will go to the terminal, and we are already in the docs folder, so we will do make clean HTML. Okay, and if we do open, and you can see that we got a really nice interface, and we got our introduction, our testing, and our project directory, which has app module. And now we have this function, which accept no parameters, returns nothing, and can raise IO error exception. This is the definition of this function, and we can also click the source to see the source. Okay, so that's how you can do this whole setup. I hope that everything is clear, and if any questions, let me know. Please subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye.